Welcome to Cybersecurity Foundations and Digital Self-Defense. This video will cover the basics of cybersecurity and provide you with actionable steps to defend yourself in the digital world. Every security decision relies on three pillars: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality is hiding secrets using encryption. Integrity guarantees truth through digital signatures. Availability ensures system access through redundancy. Effective defenses require knowing your adversary. Actors like black hats seek malicious financial gain. White hats perform ethical protection with permission. Script kiddies target vulnerable systems for ego. State-sponsored APTs aim for national espionage. Layering security builds a digital castle. The layers include the human, identity, the device, the network, and the data. Each layer provides a crucial barrier to protect your digital assets. Attackers exploit human psychology first through phishing, smishing, and vishing. The rule to follow is always choose your own destination. Never click the link. Artificial intelligence is increasingly used to attack our perception of reality. Use the two rule to detect manipulation. Ask yourself, is it too good to be true? Too shocking? Or too aligned with your beliefs? Passkeys outperform complex passwords. Passphrases, like correct battery staple quiet, use length to defeat complexity. Passkeys eliminate phishing attacks mathematically. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, stops stolen passwords. The combination of your password, knowledge, and an app, possession, creates a safe account. Authenticator apps defeat SIM swapping. Different digital weapons require different defenses. Viruses need human action. Worms self-replicate by exploiting software vulnerabilities. Trojans are disguised as gifts. Remember that software updates patch the holes worms use. Ransomware kidnaps your digital life through a four-step process: infection, scanning for backups, encryption, and the demand for a ransom. Backups kept offline are your best defense against ransom demands. Physical access bypasses digital security. Avoid found tech, as it can be foul tech. Examples include the bad USB rubber ducky and the OMG cable. Virtual private networks, or VPNs, shield traveling data. A VPN creates a secure tunnel, protecting your data from packet sniffers on untrusted public Wi-Fi. Smart devices create network vulnerabilities. Segment your network into high-trust and low-trust guest networks to stop lateral movement. Immediately change all default passwords on new devices. Offline backups defeat ransomware completely. Follow the 3-2-1 rule. Maintain 3 total copies, use 2 different media types, and keep 1 copy strictly offline and off-site. Knowledge demands ethical responsibility. Knowledge is responsibility, and explicit consent is mandatory under CFAA law. Ultimately, security is a habit that requires continuous attention and practice.